Hello, my dear friends. Actually, what happened? I cannot ignore the traumatic vibration of the suicide of my favorite actor Sushant Singh Rajput. I tried it, but I could not. In my opinion, it's not a general suicide driven by self depression or agony. There is a severe criminal issue behind it. Why an individual securing rank 7 in DTU entrance exam will become mentally so collapsed to commit suicide? Is there any scarcity of tolerance, patience, or competency in him? Not that. The internal dirty politics of the film industry, has snatched so many dreams and passions of the growing and deserved actors, making them just an outsider. And he is the burning example of such victimization. What he could not do in every subject in his life, he intervened. He dived deep and signed in the level of simmering supremacy. So, was he not eligible for any famous award for his contribution? Actually, a number of hypocrite people having the power in film industry bring those actors in limelight who has the patronymic tag behind them like Khans and Kapoors for their profit maximization and flings the novel talents having no godfather in the film industry. The favoritism and nepotism of the hypocrite people has made him forcefully understand that there is no value of his diligence, everything is in vain. So, guys, I will personally request you not to indulge in so many so called trendings, vogued cinemas and videos, making them so popular. Become a prudent viewer. Try to understand the industrial psychology so that unknowingly you do not become a part of someone's destruction.